water guns, water balloons. Myself and Pastor Mark, we're challenging all the children of Valley Christian Assembly to an epic water fight on Sunday night, July 26th at 6:30 p.m. It'll be fun, but it's more than just a water fight. We want to give you your Vacation Bible School craft box. VBS is online this year. It starts July 27th. So on July 26th at 6:30, pull into the Valley Christian Assembly parking lot, bring your water guns, we'll have water balloons for you to chuck at us, and we'll give you your VBS craft box so you can join us for the week of July 27th online Vacation Bible School. We look forward to seeing you there.